YouTube channel again. So guys, in this video we will see how to generate and send a invoice in CLIO. Okay, for this, first of all, navigate the bill section in the CLIO Manage and click on the new bills button and select generate bills to create bill from unbilled activities. Then choose your client's matter and the date range and specify any filter like responsible, attorney or the category. Click the option of generate bill to preview the draft. After that, review and adjusting bill. Access the draft and sub tab under the bills. Click on a draft invoice to open it and review all the line item dates and amount edits entries by clicking the pencil icon next to them and apply discount or add flats fees if necessary. Click the approve once the invoice is finalized. Then sharing and sending invoice. Go to the approved and sub tab under bills. Select the invoice you wish to send. Click the share drop down menu and choose send bill via the email or CLIO Connect. Customize the bill subject and message body. Select the client contact to receive the invoice and click the send bill to complete the process. Okay, so guys, thank you and have a nice day, and guys, subscribe.